In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store Dependency Installer Error. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to sign out your Microsoft account. Once done, try to sign it in and check if the error has been fixed, okay? And if not, then run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Then navigate at the upper left side of the screen, type for Windows Store. Then wait until you can see a result, okay, which is find and fix problems with Microsoft Store or Windows Store. Click on it and then click on next to run the troubleshooter, and this will help you to diagnose the problem if the app is not working right. Check if the error has been fixed. If not, then navigate to the next solution, and that is you need to copy the command that they have given at the YouTube description, this one. Then please proceed to the button search bar and type for PowerShell. After this, you need to navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. Okay, so please copy and paste the command. Control C, then paste it here at this window. Okay, make a right click so that you can paste it, so that you can now start the process the moment you will press the enter key in your keyboard. Okay. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.